Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to play around with some more of the Markartt Rainbow Polygel kit. So first things first, I am starting off with my nails. I've already prepped them and I applied some Markartt base gel, cured it for 30 seconds. And today y'all, your girl is using forms. So this first nail I messed up miserably. So at the end, I came back later at the end of the video and I fixed it. But I initially wanted to do an ombre on all of my nails. Shout out to your girl Long Hair Pretty Nails because she just keeps inspiring me every day. I just love her. So that's what I attempted. But like I said in my last video, the base color that I'm using for my ombre is just too sheer, and I thought I could keep building it to maybe get some more opaqueness, if that's even a word, but it didn't work. So anyways, this first nail I just started out with the green and I tried to blend it and shape it and all that, and I cured it for 60 seconds. And as I told you guys in my last video, once you're done with these colors, you're gonna have to come back in and cure the bottom side because it's gonna be very sticky underneath. But I'm coming in with the Markartt light pink polygel at my root or near my cuticle. And I'm attempting to blend it in and encapsulate the nail all at once because, like I said, this first nail was a hot mess. So we just gonna move on past that. So we're gonna come into this next nail. This next nail, I really wasn't sure what pattern of colors, so I really just randomly picked. So here we go with this blue. So this time you guys are getting to see the colors that I didn't use in my last video, basically. Now, let me talk about the pros and the cons before you spend this $45, and I think it's like $45, $57, whatever it is. But before you spend your coins, let me let you know. I love Markartt Polygel. It is my #1 polygel. However, these colors are beautiful, but for some reason they're so sticky. I don't know why they're so sticky, but I do love them still overall. So I would definitely give this polygel a 9 out of 10, but I'm just letting you know you are gonna have to use a lot of slip solution or alcohol. I just use a little 98-cent, I think it's like 90 something percent alcohol from Kroger, so you really can use whichever, but it is very sticky. But I like the blue. I think the blue and the green are my favorite colors. So anyways, I'm gonna quit rambling. I'm just gonna let you guys watch the video. I'll come back at the end when I get there, okay? So as I told you guys earlier, make sure that you go back. I smooth out underneath the nails because it's not cured, and then cured for 60 more seconds. So I filed, shaped, and buffed off camera, and then here I am trying to come in and fix the ugly nail. I just used the top coat, and I tried to stick these rhinestones on by hand like a dummy. Why, I don't know, but I did. And I tried to hide and mask how ugly this nail was, but it still was ugly. I think this might have made it uglier. So in the end, I ended up just popping all those off, filing it down, just putting some polish, and hey, just roll with the punches. I did order some new polygels from Wish, and I will be trying those out. So I'll be doing a refill in a couple days. So look out for that, and I'm hopefully gonna fix these nails. So anyways, guys, I just finished with my top coat, cure it, done. I come in with some Parker J's Magic Mane oil for my cuticle oil, and I'm done. So thank you guys for watching. Thank y'all for coming back to my channel. Please make sure that you like, subscribe, comment, share, all of that stuff. Mila B out.